Scholastic Pocket Charts are easy to set up and use and are versatile tools for classroom learning. The Counting Caddy and Place Value chart gives your students valuable math practice. Hang the pocket chart from a bulletin board or a pocket chart stand. Cut out the cards that come with the chart and place the title card in the top pocket. Put the place value and number cards in different pockets and put the counting straws in the big pockets at the bottom. For practice in basic counting, place a number card in each large pocket. Invite students to count out and place the corresponding quantity of straws in the pocket for each number. Or place 1 to 9 straws in each large pocket and have the students count the straws and then find the matching number card. To help students understand the concept of place value, put the ones card in the pocket on the right in the second row. Then have students count out a number of straws from 1 to 10 and place them in the large pocket below. Have them insert the corresponding number card in the pocket under the ones card. Explain that when there's only one digit in a number, that digit goes in the ones place. Have students place 10 straws in the large ones pocket and ask them to find the corresponding number card. Lead them to discover that there is no single card for 10, but that the number can be made by putting together the 1 and the 0 cards. Have the students put the 2 cards side by side in the pocket under the ones card. Can they tell you why that doesn't work? Remind them only one digit can be in the ones place. Then show that whenever 10 straws are together, they need to be bundled and moved out of the ones column. Put the tens card in a pocket and explain that when students get a bundle of 10, they should move the bundle to this column. Help them identify how many bundles are in the tens pocket and place that number under the tens card. Students can explore this concept with the 2-digit number cards. Then show them the hundreds card and see that 10 bundles of 10 straws move to that column. The Counting Caddy and Place Value chart can be used for other math problems, and you can make your own cards to go in the pockets. Clean the chart with a damp cloth and mild soap and fold it flat for storage. An activity guide comes with the chart to give you many ideas of how to use it in your classroom.